First up, let's prep our aromatic. Slice up some ginger and get your steamer heating up. While that's warming, go ahead and chop your red onion. Once your steamer water is at a rolling boil, toss in the chicken along with those ginger slices and let that steam away. Now, let's continue chopping the garlics. And do the same to the green onion too. Today, we're not just making steamed chickens, we're also whipping up a quick seaweed soup. Grab some dried seaweed, submerge it in water, and let it rehydrate. To keep the soup nice and light, toss just a tiny bit of ingredients into a pot of water. We want a delicate flavor here, not too overwhelming. Once your seaweed is nice and soft, drain the water and toss it in the pot. Let's check on our chickens. Is it cooked yet? Now, let's make the sauce. Get a pan on a stove, add some oil, and let it get hot. Check if the chicken is fully cooked. Take it out and set it on a plate to cool it down. Once the oil is hot, toss in the red onion. In a separate bowl, toss in your chopped garlic and green onion. Once the oil is smoking hot, carefully pour it right over the top to sizzle and release all those amazing aroma. To finish the sauce, mix in some oyster sauce, soy sauce, sugar, chicken powder, and a pinch of salt. Do not throw away that liquid gold. Save the leftover chicken broth from the steamer. Mix the sauce into that rich chicken broth. Be safe and give it a good stir. Time to shred. Tear the chicken into bite-sized pieces carefully. It might be still a little hot. Pour the incredible aromatic sauce right over the chickens. Add all your soup into a bowl, and just like that, dinner is served. Enjoy!